welcome to a new guitar lesson. In this video I'm going to show you how to play the main guitar of the song Snow Hey Ho by Red Hot Chili Peppers. It's a song in standard tuning, so just tune your guitar and let's begin. We're going to start playing a G sharp minor. In this way, we're going to put the ring finger on the 6th fret 5th string, the pinky finger on the same fret, the 6th fret on the 4th string, and the index finger on the 4th fret 3rd string. And there we get the first chord. And with the right hand, we're going to play the strings 5, 4, 3, 4. After that, we keep the index and we lift the other fingers and we play that tone, the 4th fret on the 3rd string, and we do a hammer on to the 6th fret and a pull off. Okay? After that, with the ring finger we play the 6th fret on the 4th string and back to the 4th fret on the 3rd string. And there we get the first chord. Okay, you have it. Then we're going to change to an E. In that way, we're going to put the pinky finger on the 7th fret, 5th string, ring finger on the 6th fret, 4th string, and the rest is the same as the first chord. So we have the index finger all the time down across the whole first measure. Okay, so when I play the whole first measure, sounds like this. I play it one more time. Nice, so now let's try to play that first measure together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's try one more time. 1, 2, 3, and... Perfect, so there we have the first measure. We continue to the next chord and we're going to take the same position that we have, but we're going to move one string down. So we start on the 6th string this time. And we play exactly the same. And there we get a B. Okay, so the right hand must move as well one string down. Okay, so I'm going to put together the 1st, 2nd and 3rd chords. And now let's try to play it together. 1, 2, 3, and... Let's try one more time. 1, 2, 3, and... Perfect, and then we arrive to the 4th chord, and we're going to take again the same position, but we put it back to the strings that we had on the beginning, starting from the 5th string, but we're going to move it 2 frets up, playing a slide to that 9th fret. Okay, so the 2nd, 3rd and 4th chords have the same position. Okay, we just have to change the string and now the fret and the strings. And we do slide when we come to that 9th fret. And there we have the measure 1 and 2. I'm going to play it and then we try together. Nice, so now let's try to play it together. 1, 2, 3, and... Let's try one more time. 1, 2, 3, and... Nice. So now when we arrive to the measure 3 and 4, the first three chords are exactly the same as we played on the first and second measures, but when we come to the last chord, we have a new chord. And that chord works like this. We put the ring finger on the 6th fret 6th string, and now we put a half bar on the 4th fret on the strings 4 and 5. Okay, so on the right hand we play the strings 6, 5, 4, 5. You have it. And then we play as we did on the 3rd chord. Okay, so I'm going to play the whole 4th measure. I play one more time. Okay, so now I'm going to put together the measure 3 and 4. And now let's try together, measure 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3, and... Let's try one more time. 1, 2, 3, and... Perfect, so now we have everything. Let's play from the beginning, and we play measure 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and... Nice, and we just have to keep repeating that, so let's try a little bit faster and we repeat. We play it 2 times. We can play at this tempo. Okay, are you ready? 1, 2, 3, and... Repeat. Okay, let's try to play it one more time at the same tempo, and we play it 2 times. 1, 2, 3, and... Repeat. And that was Snow Hey Ho by Red Hot Chili Peppers. Remember to subscribe to the channel if you want to get more videos like this one. And if you enjoyed this lesson, write me a comment and please give it a thumbs up. I remind you that if you want to download the tabs, you're going to find them in my website, EasyGuitarTube.com. Thanks for watching this video, and I see you in the next one.